Right, okay, here we go. Day 23, just 2 more left. Day 23. There we go. Harry Potter. And what have we got, Harry? Oh, it's a turkey. Okay, so it's like the food to sit in the middle, which is cool. And then we go Marvel, day 23. Day 23 Marvel. And we've got, okay, Spider Pig. This has got to be probably my favourite bit. A Spider Pig snowman-ish thing, kind of. Star Wars. Yeah. He said the better. Oh wow, it's okay. It's the speeder. It's Luke's speeder. I suppose that's okay. It's a bit like nice, iconic. People will recognise. And then City, day 23 is a sleigh. Okay, sleigh. Cool. One more day to go on these, and then we're done. So tomorrow, when you're watching this, is Christmas Eve. Hope you're all excited. Hope you all get what you wanted for Christmas, and that you're extra good and nice to people all year round. All right, I'll see you in a minute when I finish these. All right then, day 23 is built, done, finished, awesome. First of all, let's do the Harry Potter set. We have a nice turkey dinner setting, with some decorations around it, which is cool. And then the turkey itself, which is good. I've seen that before. And then you just place that like that, and you can take these bits, like the wings off, legs, sorry, and give those to somebody to hold in their hand. So I'm going to leave it like that for now. Then we got Marvel with Spidey Pig. I think he's really cool. It's probably the best part of the Marvel set, completely. 100%, I really like that. I love this, the head. It's cool. So he's a snow pig. And then City, this is, obviously you've got somewhere you can sit your minifigs, but this is a little sleigh, bobsleigh. So that's cool, so they can sit in the middle. And then this is probably the best ship that I built for Star Wars. Yeah, I'm not going to say anything else. But this is the speeder, Luke Skywalker's speeder, and I really like this because this is fairly iconic from the first film that I ever watched in the 70s. So for me, it brings back really good memories, and I love the shape. I have got the full set, the big one, but I haven't built it. Anywho, so there you go, day 23. That means tomorrow being Christmas Eve, so it's the last day. Awesome, I'll see you then.